dead men. Then the angel said to the women in reply, "Do not be afraid. I know that you are seeking Jesus the crucified. He is not here, for he has been raised just as he said."
Nabuhay ako muli, Alleluia. Ako'y laging nasa iyo, Alleluia.